Students, in this exercise we will learn how to create full best fit alignment in Civil 3D using COGO points. In the previous exercise we used fixed line 2 points to create a line alignment and fixed line floating curves tools using from alignment creation tools to create curve alignment in Civil 3D. So in this exercise we will create a separate alignment using same COGO points but with create best fit alignment tools, and then we will compare how they performs. For the creation of full best alignment we will use the same COGO points, and we used for the first as we used for the best fit alignment with fixed and floating curves in the previous exercise, and we will do this in order to compare the result of both method. If you create segment using best fit line or best fit curves, for example, you can use the edit best fit data for all entities tools to edit these segments after they are created. From the home tab, create design panel, choose the alignment creation, alignment sections, and here you will see create best fit alignment. The create best fit alignment dialog box will appear. Select the input type data to COGO points, and on the drop down list of the path 1 group point group, select all point and then deselect the create spiral checkbox. Change alignment name to best fit alignment, and then verify that alignment style is set to layout, and alignment label should be no label, and then show report checkbox checked, and then click OK to accept the all other defaults. The best fit report dialog box open. Now review that the result in the best fit report. Just notice that if you select any row here, it will highlight the location of the regression graph. So click cross button to dismiss the dialog box. Unlike the regression data tab in the panorama window, the best fit report is poorly informational and does not allow you to select to exclude or pass through a specific point, while the create best fit alignment procedure is fast. It may not be precise. Therefore, this command may be useful for providing a draft alignment, and then you can manually create your final alignment using results similar to those shown in the best fit report that meet your specific design criteria. The completed best fit alignment is shown together. It was the first which we use fixed 2-point line and floating curves, and the another one we use by create best fit alignment. So if you see, although best fit alignment may not, you can see given you exactly what you are looking for, especially if you like nice whole number radius, it's generate a good starting point just which you can also edit to fit your design need. So this is how they make difference once you use different tools in Civil 3D. For the advanced Civil 3D tips and trick, please stay tuned.